Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Tapfiliate for no-code affiliate programs. Easy tutorial step-by-step clearly. To connect with Tapfiliate for no-code affiliate programs, start by visiting the Tapfiliate website. Once on the homepage, click on the Sign Up button to create a new account. Fill in the required fields with your email address and a strong password. After completing this step, verify your email by checking your inbox for a confirmation link. Once your account is verified, log in to your Tapfiliate dashboard. In the dashboard, locate and click on the Integrations tab on the left sidebar. From the Integrations list, find the platform you wish to connect with Tapfiliate. Click on the corresponding Connect button next to that platform. Follow the on-screen instructions to authorize and link your account. If the integration requires any additional settings, make sure to complete those as well. After successfully connecting your platform, navigate back to the dashboard. Here, you can manage your affiliate programs and track performance metrics. To create an affiliate program, click on the Programs tab and then select Create New Program. Fill out the necessary details for your Once you save your program, it will be live and ready for affiliates to join. Next, invite affiliates by generating an invitation link from the dashboard. Share the link through your preferred channels to attract potential affiliates. Finally, monitor your program's performance through the Analytics section in your Tapfiliate account. This will help you optimize your affiliate marketing strategy effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.